Okay, folks, there you have it. We have successfully, in a little under 7 hours, we have gone through Python fundamentals, the pandas. We have gone through Python fundamentals, the basics of pandas. We've built a projection model, and we have used that projection model to help us win our fantasy league, or at least get us in good position to win our fantasy league. Now, I wanted to just wrap up with a few model blind spots to call out because, as the famous quote goes, all models are wrong, but some are useful. Use this while I'm talking. And between Python and Pandas, and as the course description said, we've really learned Pandas and Python while using MBA stats to help us build our fantasy projection model. Now, a couple things to call out for the model. First and foremost, it is not going to take into account rookies and European players, and that's because we have to take the player's current season to project the next season based on the similar players. And unfortunately for the rookies and the European rookies, we don't have their current season to use as projections. Another thing that I want to call out is when a player is traded mid-season, the NBA stats will have both the player seasons and then a new one with the total. We did not factor this in. We were merely looking, using each of those half seasons would have gone as just another row. So if a player is traded mid-season, we could do a little bit more cleanup in our data frame to combine it and use the total. Towards the end, I am aware, players are eligible for multiple positions in ESPN leagues. This makes it a little bit difficult to find the value over the baseline player, the value over the replacement player. But I think what we did is enough to get us in good position. Again, everything we've done here today was based on a snake draft head-to-head league. Auction-based draft leagues definitely are going to behave differently. And then finally, all of you out there are going to have your own unique insights. Definitely use those, lean into those. This was meant to just be a beginner course to get you familiar, but definitely take this, build on top of it, as I used a lot of resources and other people's work to date. Take it, try and do as much as you can, and feel free to share that back with the community and with myself so we can continually improve this model and ultimately get it to a point to where maybe we can even gamble on it. But ultimately, thank you so much for taking the class, and I really hope you see the power of Python and Pandas and how it makes it so much more enjoyable and so much more fun to use something like fantasy basketball and NBA stats to learn this. I know it certainly helped me better grasp the fundamentals and certain ideas, and that is why I wanted to spend a lot of my time and effort putting this into a course to help you as well. Best of luck to all of you out there, and I hope we can remain in touch on the internet.